Mike, with your tiered approach, do you have an example where you've helped a customer unravel or untangle all of their maintenance from the OEM and give them options they didn't know they had? And what do you hear from your customers?
Yeah, it's a good question. We just got wrapped up a project where you kind of hit on a couple of hot button issues right now in the space, which is lead times, right? Right now, edge switches anywhere from 6, 9, 12 plus months. Hearing stories of 400 plus days. Those are business days. It's bad when you have to start to pull your calculator out to figure out how many months out that is. And so helping clients on the hardware side, obviously, is a big part of our business. But also on the maintenance side, as you referred to, there is a gap that's taking place, right? Customers have legacy infrastructure in place, and they need to keep an SLA in place. And so we've been able to put in kind of this, the bridge, solution. And the one that I'm thinking about specifically, school district who had some edge switches, some 2960X and some 3850 switches that they were upgrading to the new 9200s, 9300s. I think we've got a slide available for that particular project, but it was about, I want to say about $86,000 in OEM SmartNet cost tied to that option for an MBD. And they're looking at, again, do we look down the barrel of another 12-month contract and $86,000 in expense, or do we look at PivIT's OneCall maintenance offering, and which we had put together a solution for them, given the exact same SLA on the exact same equipment, and able to come in at about $10,000, roughly about $75,000 in savings. They don't miss a beat. They can then, apply those savings to other aspects of their business. And again, this is a bridge solution as they wait for that new equipment to come into place. I will tell you, we, as an aside, we are also helping clients who have that newer equipment, 9200s, 9300s, 9400s. Typically, a bit more expensive, but still typically 30, 40, sometimes 50% the cost of SmartNet on some of those edge devices. And so, again, in this case, able to kind of provide a bridge solution while they're waiting for that hardware to come in. And also, just nicely enough, being able to save them about $75,000, $76,000 in the process. And so, for us, that's a win, and again, an option that we're able to bring to the table for that client.